So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to set up automatic daily stock buys on the Moomoo application. So once Moomoo's opened up, I want you to go into the account option on the bottom bar. Once you're on account, I'm going to press on all right in the middle here in between, I guess beside adding accounts, I'll press on all. Then where it says trade, I want you to press on auto buy. So once you're on auto buy, you can select the market that you're looking for. So you can go US market or Canadian market for this demonstration. How about I just press VFE, ticker symbol VFE. I'll press on invest right here. Now once you're here, what you can do is select the investment amount. So if you wanted to invest, for example, we'll just say $100 per day or $150 per day, whatever the case may be. You can do whatever you want. Then where it says frequency, if you're looking to set up automatic daily stock payments, press on frequency right here. Make sure that you scroll down to where it says daily and then press on confirm. And then go to the bottom, of course, read the relevant agreements, check that once you've read it, and then press on buy to set up automatic daily stock buys. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to set up automatic daily stock buys on the Moomoo application. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.